Welcome everybody to the Futurespace Collective. This is where we explore the world of products for imagination. Art, decor, lighting, and how to take your space into the future. We have something special on the channel here. I've been wanting to get my hands on these for a little while. I've seen them being sold by a lot of different online brands. Boom! And here it is now.
Oh, wow.
It is an LED floor light, a corner freestanding light bar, kind of reminiscent of the light bars that I have in my background here. I have not one, but two of them to check out today. So I'm really excited about these because I always get a lot of questions, like I've mentioned, about these light bars in the back. These two products should provide some good light output and allow you to create whatever vibe you're going for through the power and fun of RGB lighting. So let's check them out, shall we? Let's crack open and see what these things are all about. I like the boxes on them. So it looks like you kind of have to build these lights yourself. Maybe that's why they say DIY on the box. And upon first open, we are greeted with this. Let's try to build one of these corner floor lamps. So this looks like the base actually. Not bad, got a little bit of weight to it. This base could be sturdier, so I'll tell you that. I don't know what these tiny little threads are. Oh, these are the LED strips. Okay, here's the diffusion. Here's kind of everything from the box. On the instruction guide, I don't know what this thing is. You guys see that? Give me one of those things. Here's some gold dolphin rings. Oh, too funny. Okay, we're gonna try to figure this out. Let's take everything out of the bags. Installation steps. So I think this circular one goes at the base. Maybe we're just supposed to connect them together. I'm assuming this is going to be the lamp arm, which is going to hold the LED strip. Okay, that just goes in like that. Now we're left with this sort of long arm here, which is like, looks to be a good 5 feet tall actually. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I think we're gonna take the actual LED strips now, tear off 3M glue, centrifugal paper. Okay then, pass through that thread hole. Once you've assembled the arm, you're gonna take the LED, this is the LED strip, you're gonna pass the sort of where it plugs in here, you're gonna pass that through the bottom, kind of like so. You're just gonna pull it through gently. So we're gonna peel this 3M strip off the back. And what I recommend, just going little by little here. Okay, we're just sort of slowly gonna peel the rest of this strip. And as we do, I'm just gonna tuck it in to the lamp. All right, we're gonna stick the rest of the LED strip in our lamp arm. So when you're done putting the LED strip in the arm of the lamp, it should look something like so. All right, now it's telling me to put the diffusion on. So the diffusion pieces do have this like piece of plastic like that. Got the first piece of diffusion in. You're not gonna wanna slide it from the top. Here's what you're gonna wanna do. You're gonna wanna align one edge of the diffusion to the lamp arm. Okay, so it's nice and flat. You're just gonna wanna apply pressure ever so slightly on the other side until it kind of just bends into place there and fits itself onto the track. And just go down, just kind of tucking it into the track like so, until you hear that full snap action, and then you know it's in. Maybe you can give it a little push so it's tight. Take this piece of plastic off, and we will do our last piece of diffusion here. All right, same thing, kind of align it. It's not the easiest thing to do, but stay patient with it, work it in from one side, and then it all kind of comes full circle here, tightening everything up there. So there might be a little bit of excess at the top there. You're just gonna wanna slide this cap on to solve that issue. Alrighty, so put the plug in at the top, got it. Oh, I see. So you're gonna wanna bend it through this part here. So then you can screw in the base. Make sure it goes in straight. Let me put the legs on. Oh, these are heavier. The padded side faces downwards. Insert the square tube into the base, tighten screw with a wrench. So what am I gonna do with these?
So remember those teeny tiny little screws they gave us at the beginning of the video? Yeah, well, they actually give you a little Allen key, and there are tiny little holes on the attachable legs that you use these tiny little screws. They're supposed to create tension that locks the legs into place. Albeit not the best design, not the sturdiest, but I guess it does do the job just fine.
We got our receiver base here, and this is for the infrared remote. These connectors plug into each other, and you'll notice that there is a bit of like a ridge on the top, and so that clips together so they don't come apart. And now we have to provide it power, so it did come with a USB power brick. There we go. There we go. Computer, turn off backlight. Okay. This is the remote here. Let's pull the little tab at the bottom, shall we? Okay, let's go red, green, and blue. Woo, 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 woo. Don't forget how freaking big this thing is, ladies and gentlemen. Cool. Oh, buddy. What does flow do? Try flow. Oh, this is flow. You guys seen that? And this is called chase. Whoa, hello. And this is called roll. All right, so some pretty cool LED effects we have here. So it's got 4 different brightness settings, which is pretty neat. I do like the effects it comes with. The idea is you're gonna wanna put these up in a corner, and then the light it creates will illuminate your room. Don't forget, guys, this is like a pretty large light bar, and it's going to be much, much cheaper to buy one of these corner floor standing light bars as opposed to my professional grade light bars over here. This is more of a consumer friendly version that comes with the stand. It's more user friendly and it's more cost effective. And it'll really add some nice vibes to your room. This is the Futurespace Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.